children, I hope you all are well. So today we are continuing with the topic, and let's start today's topic. Okay. Hi students, it is the continuation part of the chapter our festivals. Okay. So here see, it is the image of the Durga Puja. So today I will teach you what is a Durga Puja. Goddess Durga is worshipped during the Durga Puja, which is widely celebrated in the states of West Bengal, Tripura and Assam. The idols of the goddess Durga are beautifully decorated in pandals. On the day of Vijaya Dasami, these idols are immersed into the river, right? So this is the Durga Puja, right? So in the Durga Puja, the goddess Durga are used to be worshipped. Now, this Durga Puja are celebrated in the states like West Bengal, Tripura and Assam. In this Durga Puja, this image or the idol that you are seeing in this video, that are generally decorated in the pandals. See, the goddess Durga is well decorated in the pandals. And the last day of the Durga Puja, that is on the Vijaya Dasami, this idol are generally immersed into the river. These idols are immersed, or they are generally we give away the idols into the rivers, right? So Vijaya Dasami is the last day of Durga Puja. Now let's come to the Dasera. Dasera coincides with the Durga Puja. This is celebrated widely in the North India. It is celebrated in the memory of the Lord Rama's victory over Ravana, the demon. The effigies of the Ravana, Meghnada and the Kumbhakarna are burnt. People celebrate it as a triumph of good over evil. So Dasera and Durga Puja, the timing of these two festivals are generally coincides with each other. Okay. So in this celebration of the Dasera, the Ravana, who is acting as a demon, are used to be burnt up. Why it is burnt up? Because the people celebrate it that good things always won over the evil. Okay, so that is the Dasara. Now in this picture we can see it is a picture of a Diwali. Diwali is the festival of the lights. It is also the major Hindu festival. It is celebrated on the Kartik Amavasya in the month of October to November. It is believed that on this day Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. People lighted earthen lamps or diyas to greet Lord Rama and expressed their joys. So this is the picture of the Diwali. Diwali is a festival of a Hindu. And on which day we used to celebrate it? On the Kartik Amavasya in the month of October to November. Now, what is the Diwali? During the Diwali, the people used to light up the lamps or the diyas so that we can welcome Lord Rama, and it also express for the expression of the joys. On this day, Goddess Lakshmi is also worshipped. Houses, shops and markets are decorated with lights. People exchange sweets among their friends and relatives. Children burst firecrackers. So on this day also the Lakshmi Puja is also done. Houses, shops, markets are all time decorated with this diya. See here the little girl is lightening the diya, right? In this occasion also the people used to exchange sweets among their friends and relatives. And see in this picture the children is bursting firecrackers. So today we have learned the three festivals. One is the Durga Puja, then Dasera and then Diwali. Please go through it, and it is the page number, it is 53 of your SST book. Okay, if you have any queries, please convey that. Thank you.